Hi, I'm Susie Mitchell. I'm the Regional Manager of the UK and Ireland for Juice Plus. It was a chance where they all got to share best practices and they got to ask questions. How are you doing it? What's working? What's not working? How can we do things differently? And it was really brilliant. So these workshops work, they get people together, and we really, really need to do more of them.
So my name's Emma, I work at Leo, I'm the Global Event Coordinator for the company. It's a great experience to get so many different people from direct selling companies together. You hear a lot of different aspects that they work in within the company, you share a lot of ideas, and it's really good to just come together and brainstorm. Everyone's very much together in this. We've all seen different aspects of what works, what doesn't work, and as I say, it's definitely something that I look forward to doing again next year, especially in terms of seeing how the stuff that we've shared today will progress next year and how it launches other companies.
My name is Maxine Francis. I'm the Education Associate for Mary Kay Cosmetics. It's wonderful that we can connect with other companies. You tend to stay in a bit of a bubble, don't you, within your own company and your own roles and responsibilities. So today we were able to talk and just share some ideas and incentives, and already we've already come away with some brilliant ideas which we're going to go back to the office tomorrow and discuss. I really hope that we can continue to carry on this connecting with other companies as well. You know, the DSA has been, they're a formidable force, incredible support for Mary Kay Cosmetics. So yes, I would absolutely love to see some more of this.
Hi, I'm Iola Sunday. I'm the president of Salamaster Global. What I liked about them is really the interactiveness and the fact that we as a body, the DSA members, different companies coming together and just sharing ideas. That's fantastic. That's what makes the DSA UK special. Sharing great ideas together is always the way forward of running a good, successful business.
My name is Jo Cross and I'm the National Sales Manager at the Body Shop at Home. For me and for our company, it's really important that we share information with other member companies, and we learn a lot, and we learn from each other's best practices, and we're able to take that away and implement that into our own businesses as well. I'd definitely love to see this again. I mean, for me, the sharing is what we're about as an industry, and really DSA cements all that together for us, and that's really important for us.
My name is Georgina and I'm from Nick UK. The content of the workshops were great. It's great to mix and speak to other colleagues as well as suppliers, show ideas, and I've taken away lots of new ideas that I'm going to implement when I get back to my work as well.
My name's Julie Sullivan. I'm from a fantastic company called Ringana. It was brilliant to network and to collaborate different ideas and to really feel the energy and the excitement within the industry. I'm definitely looking forward to the next event. In fact, I can't wait, and it's marked in my calendar.